All right, what is going on, everyone? So in today's video, we're going to talk about how to use AI to build discipline, not motivation. The chapter overview is going to be motivation is fragile, AI is structure, weekly planning, if-then rules, calendar reality, friction audit, daily scorecards, review and recalibrate. You do not rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. James Clear. And this video is important because there's a lot of different systems and things that people can be using on any given day to improve discipline, especially in 2026. A lot of things that people might not know about. And one of those things is obviously AI, which is always improving, always moving forward. So let's jump into the lesson. Motivation is fragile. Motivation is real, but it is unreliable. Some days you wake up sharp and ready to go. Other days you feel heavy, scattered, or behind before the day even starts. If your whole system depends on feeling fired up, then your system falls apart the moment life gets ordinary. Most people are not stuck because they need more inspiration. They are stuck because they already know what they should do, but they have no structure for doing it when they are tired, distracted, or mentally crowded. The gap is usually not knowledge, it's follow-through. A lot of procrastination is just decision fatigue, wearing a different outfit. What should I do? How long should it take? Should I answer this message now? Can I move this to tomorrow? The constant deciding eats energy before the real work even begins. The real test of discipline is not what you do on a strong day. It is what you do on the boring day, the low energy day. The day where nothing feels dramatic and you still have to show up anyway. If the plan only works when you feel inspired, it's not much of a plan. A good system gives you clear next steps when your brain feels slow. It may be smaller, it may be uglier, but it's still obvious. People often call themselves lazy when the real problem is much simpler. The task was vague, the day was overpacked, the environment was distracting, there was no backup plan when the original plan failed. This is not a character flaw, this is a weak design. Stop asking how to feel motivated. Ask how to make the right action easier to start, easier to repeat, and harder to avoid. That is the shift that matters. Once you see discipline that way, AI starts to make a lot more sense. AI is structure. AI is most helpful when you treat it like a structure, not magic. It's not there to give you a new personality, it's there to help you sort the mess, define the next step, and keep a plan visible long enough to follow it. A lot of stress comes from carrying around too much unfinished business in your head, emails you still need to answer, errands you keep postponing, deadlines you are half ignoring, routines you keep meaning to start. AI helps when it becomes one place to unload that pile and turn it into something organized. Get disciplined is not an action, get organized is not an action either. AI is useful because it can help translate broad goals into concrete moves. What is the next step? What comes after that? What can wait? What belongs this week and what does not? A decent plan has to respect the actual shape of your life. Meetings, school pickup, work deadlines, low energy afternoons, sleep issues, family obligations. These are not side details, they are the frame around the plan. AI helps most when it plans around real limits instead of pretending you have endless time and clean focus. One underrated thing about AI is that it makes the reset less emotional. You can come back after a sloppy week, say what happened, and rebuild the plan without turning it into a whole new identity. That matters because a lot of people lose momentum not on the first day, but on the days they spend beating themselves up after. If you keep one ongoing plan thread or one project file, patterns start to show up. You overload Mondays, you underestimate setup time, you plan deep work in hours when your brain is usually gone. AI is useful here because it can show you the habits in plain language instead of leaving you to guess. AI should help you run a system. It should not decide your values for you. It can help you organize, schedule, and review. It should not tell you what kind of life matters, what sacrifice is worth it, or what you should care about most. And this is the good use of AI: planning, sequencing, reviewing, simplifying, reducing friction. The bad use is hiding inside prompts, outsourcing judgment, or pretending advice counts as action. Weekly planning. The best use of AI is usually not a morning prep talk, it is a weekly planning session. Once a week, get everything out of your head onto one place. Deadlines, errands, work tasks, health goals, home responsibilities, unfinished loose ends. The point is to stop letting the week live as 10 different partial lists. Once the list is visible, most of the work is subtraction. People usually do not need a bigger list. They need a more believable one. A useful week is not built on pretending you can do everything. It is built by deciding what actually matters and what needs to be delayed, dropped, or scaled down. Most weeks go by better when you choose 2 or 3 outcomes that would actually make the week feel solid if they moved forward. Not 15 priorities, not a fantasy list, just a few clear things that still matter by Friday. Some tasks create momentum. Some tasks unlock everything else. Some tasks only feel urgent because they are noisy. AI is helpful here because it can help answer a better question than what should I do? It can help answer what should happen first so the rest of the week gets easier. A lot of bad planning comes from pretending the calendar is empty when it's already crowded. If your week is full of fixed obligations, then your personal goals have to fit around that. If they do not, the plan turns into a theater. AI can help show the mismatch, but you still have to be honest enough to cut things. A real plan includes what happens when the week goes off track. If something slips, what gets pushed, what gets shortened, and what gets dropped. Without that, one missed block becomes guilt, then drift, then chaos. A small backup rule is better than a dramatic reset every 3 days. I made another video on how to stay disciplined. You guys should check out, it kind of relates to this. Give your AI deadlines, fixed commitments, and top goals. Then ask for a realistic week built around what you can actually carry. A lot of goals sound serious but still fail because they are too loose. I will be more consistent, I will stop procrastinating, I will get my life together. None of that tells your body what to do at a specific moment. A stronger rule sounds like this. If it's 7 a.m. and I have not checked my phone, I put on my shoes and walk. If lunch ends, I do 15 minutes of admin. If I sit down at my desk, I open the document before I open anything else. This is much easier to follow because the cue is clear. Discipline gets stronger when fewer things are up for negotiation. The more often you ask yourself whether you feel like doing the right thing, the more often you will take yourself out of it. If-then rules reduce that debate. Good systems assume something will go wrong. If the meeting runs late, which is the smaller version, if the workout gets missed, which is the at-home version, if the morning gets lost, which is the strongest possible version of the afternoon, AI can help build those fallback rules before you need them. One of the most useful ideas in discipline is the minimum version. 10 minutes of reading, 1 paragraph of writing, 1 set of push-ups, 5 minutes of planning. When the full version is too much, the small version keeps the habit alive. You can do this for any habit you want to develop. A lot of resistance lives right at the start. Open the file, put the phone away, clear the tabs, set the timer. Start with one ugly sentence. AI helps when it turns a fuzzy task into a very obvious move. Going to the gym is a good example of this. A lot of people just have to start going before they can actually set the habit. Calendar reality. A to-do list can make you feel productive without forcing any contact with reality. A calendar is more honest. The moment you put work into actual hours, you find out whether the plan is realistic or whether it only sounded good in your head. A task is still a wish until it has time attached to it. That is why scheduling matters. AI can help take a pile of priorities and turn them into a day that has shape instead of hope. Not every hour is good for the same kind of work. Hard thinking needs your better hours. Admin can live in the softer ones. If you keep putting demanding work into tired time, you will keep thinking the problem is discipline when the real problem is bad placement. Life gets easier when some things happen at the same time every week. Grocery planning on Sunday, admin block every weekend afternoon, workout after work 3 times a week. These anchors do more for consistency than waiting for a burst of motivation. Something similar to this is, say, brushing your teeth at night before bed. I think that's a habit most people have, and it's very easy for them to do. It's very natural. So you should be able to pretty much make a similar habit for anything, but easier said than done. People often build schedules that only work if nothing unexpected happens. Then a late call, traffic, a rough morning, or one hard conversation blows up the whole day. A stronger schedule has buffer space built in. Once something takes a real block of time, it becomes obvious what it is replacing. That is good. Discipline is not doing everything, it is deciding what is worth your time and letting the rest stay undone. A useful plan has a shutdown time. What still matters tonight, what moves till tomorrow, what gets dropped altogether. Without that line, your unfinished work follows you into the evening and makes tomorrow heavier before it even starts. Friction audit. A lot of work feels hard before the work itself even begins. The file is buried, the instructions are unclear, the room is messy, the login is missing, the supplies are somewhere else. If starting feels expensive, you will keep avoiding the task and call it laziness. Work on the project is too vague. Fix the business is too vague, get organized is too vague. The brain resists unclear work because it still has to define the job before it can do the job. AI is good at turning a blurry responsibility into a concrete next action. A lot of people are trying to manage life across too many places at once. Notes in one app, reminders in another, calendar somewhere else, random tasks and messages, priorities nowhere. That kind of sprawl creates friction all by itself. If your phone is beside you, notifications are on, your desk is cluttered, and every hard task is one click away from distraction, then you did not create a fair fight. It is much harder to be disciplined in an environment that is built for escape. I recommend doing deep work blocks, which I also discussed in my previous discipline video. Most people try to fix inconsistency by adding more systems, another app, another planner, another routine, Another promise. A lot of the time, the better move is removal. Fewer goals, fewer decisions, fewer open loops, fewer things competing for your attention. Keep it simple, stupid. If the same planning problems keep showing up, stop solving it from zero every time. Use a checklist. Use a recurring reminder, a template, use a starting block for the week. That is one of the clearest places where AI helps. Weekly reviews, routine admin, grocery planning, repeat prompts, and recurring follow-ups. Anything that needs real judgment, emotional honesty, or a decision you are trying to avoid is not worth automating. Daily scorecards. The day should not begin with a random reaction. It should begin with a short check-in. What matters most today? What has to happen no matter what? What will probably delay me if I ignore it? What is the first viable move? A strong day usually has one non-negotiable target. That does not mean nothing else matters, it means the day has a center. Without that, your attention gets pulled into whatever feels urgent first. Discipline is not perfection, it is recovery speed. If the morning goes badly, the day is not ruined unless you treat it like it is. AI can help with a quick reset by helping you rebuild the strongest remaining version of the day. One of the simplest ways to reduce friction is to choose tomorrow's first task before the day ends. That saves you from wasting your cleanest morning energy on indecision. At the end of the day, ask what got done, what slipped, and why. Was the plan unrealistic? Was the task too vague? Did you avoid it even though the path was clear? That is the kind of reflection that actually improves the next day. Over time, the scorecard tells the truth. You keep overestimating your afternoons, you lose focus after meetings, you do better when the first task is already chosen. That kind of information is much more useful than generic self-judgment. A daily review should feel like a debrief, not a courtroom. If the tone is too harsh, you stop being honest. If the tone stays calm, you can actually adjust the system. The weekly review is where the plan meets reality. Which blocks actually happened, which tasks kept sliding, which goals moved, which ones just sat there looking important. This is where self-trust gets built, because now you are working with evidence instead of a mood. A lot of people call everything procrastination, but that hides the real problem. Was the task unclear? Was the day overloaded? Was it bad timing? Did the environment get in the way? Did you quietly disagree with the plan? AI can help separate those patterns so the next fit is specific. Every review should lead to some adjustment. Shorter work blocks, better timing, less on Monday, more prep the night before, one batch for admin instead of 10 scattered interruptions. If nothing changes, the review was mostly performance. One reason people fail is that they try to become a different person in one weekend. Then, by midweek, the system already feels fake. A better approach is slower. Get a few things stable first, then tighten the structure once it has proven it can survive a normal life. A plan that worked in a quiet month may fall apart during travel, family pressure, bad sleep, or a heavy work cycle. The review has to include your current season, not just the routine you wish you could maintain all year. A big one for me is travel. Every time I travel, every good habit that I built just seems to fall apart, especially the gym. AI can help you summarize the week and spot patterns. It cannot tell you which trade-offs are worth making or what kind of life you want to build. That part still belongs to you. That is, keep your own judgment in the loop. Discipline usually looks less dramatic than people expect. It is plan, act, review, adjust, repeat. AI helps because it makes that loop easier to run without as much confusion or reinvention. So here's the flow. Goes goal, plan the week, block the time, run the day, review the result, adjust the rules, repeat. Last is the conclusion. Conclusion. If you use AI the wrong way, it becomes another way to avoid the work. You keep asking for better prompts, better advice, better systems, and better motivation, while the day itself stays the same. Used the right way, AI is much less dramatic than that. It is a planning tool, a review tool, a way to clear the clutter, reduce friction, and make the next step easier to see. That is the real value here. AI will not hand you discipline like a personality transplant. What it can do is help you build a system that makes discipline easier to practice. And once the system is doing more of the heavy lifting, you stop depending as much on mood. That is when things start to feel steadier. Not exciting, not magical, just solid, and a lot easier to keep. Alright everyone, that has been how to use AI to build discipline, not motivation. Sort of a simpler video and a little bit shorter than the other ones, but I think it's something that's very useful nowadays and sort of essential, especially considering that AI is literally in everything that we do, and you can't really avoid it anymore. A lot of people seem to hate it. They think it's going to be the end of the world, but I think, if you're trying to maximize discipline, maximize success, it's really something that you should try to use to empower yourself. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give me a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe for the YouTube algorithm. Thanks.